What is the best stretch you can do before any physical activity? Today, I'm going to tell you exactly the number one thing that you can do before you start doing any sort of exercise, walking, or going to the gym. I'm Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey. We have a lot of clients here who are in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and even older that want to stay active, fit, and mobile long term. They love going on long walks, especially around this area where there's lots of green countryside. They want to do things like tennis, golf, and they want to stay fit and mobile long term. However, with that, we need to make sure that our bodies are primed for doing physical exercise. So I'm going to talk you through the number one stretch that I do right now for all of our clients to ensure that their bodies are primed and making sure they're not suffering with any back issues or risking any injury when they go on to do exercise. Okay, so for me, the most important muscle that you have in your body when you're doing any sort of physical exercise are going to be the glutes. So the buttocks through here. The glutes are divided into separate parts and we can activate certain bits depending on how we stretch them. They are really important to help with hip extension. So whether you're playing golf, you're doing tennis, you're going on a long walk, a run, or going to the gym to start doing some weight-based activity, it's really, really important we get our glutes nice and primed and ready to go. So there's a two-part process to this. We've got to stretch them, we've got to activate them. So one of the best ways I think you can stretch your glutes is simply just by pulling your leg across like this. Now, don't hate me because I always advocate not crossing your legs when you're sitting, but like this, because it's going to put rotation in your pelvis, cause pressure in your back. But what you can do is do a stretch like this, where your leg is crossed and you pull the knee up around the side like this. It's going to take a lot of pressure off the hip and it's going to help just to get that glute activated and start stretching it through. You want to hold this for 30 seconds, repeat 3 times through. Now, common mistakes will be twisting the back like this, moving the back. You want to keep your body neutral, shoulders back, and then just pulling like this. Same thing on the other side, so you can see here. So pull, keep the back neutral, shoulders back, trying to pull the knee up and across. You kind of come up this way, okay? So all the way up like this, taking pressure off there, just getting that glute stretched around like that, okay? Now, another way of doing this, if you're not getting a stretch through there, is to lie on your back, have both legs like this, cross the leg over. You're going to see the hole in the middle here. Reach your arms through, hold the knee that's bent like this, and then pull through there. Try not to pull your neck up too much like this, just keep your neck neutral. You might have it a little bit contracted, but then just relax it back like that. So this is a great way to get a stretch all the way through the glute. And obviously you can cross over like this. Again, a great way to get a good stretch through here. Okay, so great way to stretch. Those are the 2 ways that I would do it. You want to do these before you start any activity. And a lot of people say, well, Jeremy, I'm just going for a walk. But if you're walking for anything more than half an hour, you really want to make sure that your body is primed and you're getting those muscles woken up to make sure that they're contracting in the right position, helping with that hip extension, but also taking pressure off your lower back. So it's really, really important that you do start with that. Okay, so the second part is to activate the glutes. You've got to make sure that they're ready to go. You want to contract them. So a really easy way to do this is to do a simple squat. So you can see me do a squat here, shoulders back, tummy nice and tucked in, so sucking my tummy in here, knees making sure they're not going too far back, and then just dropping down like this. Not going the whole way, just to here, squeezing the buttocks and coming back up, okay? Tummy sucked in, feet shoulder width apart, dropping down like this, and then coming back through here, all right? Again, just 10 times, and then coming back like this, okay? Keeping that tummy tucked in. You want to make sure that you're not doing this, that movement. We don't want that. We want the back nice and straight, just dropping the glutes down, making sure the knees are not coming too far in front. Let me show you from the side, like this, and coming back down. Okay, this is good. Like this. This is not good. Knees come forwards. Doing that, no good. You want to make sure those knees don't come in front of your feet. So this is not good. And this is good. Okay, a lovely way to activate those glutes. So there you have it, my top ways to make sure you're getting your glutes firing and you're making sure they're getting activated before any sort of physical activity, which is going to really help you to engage in your sports, going out for a walk, tennis, golf, whatever it is, bowls, allow you to stay active, keep doing these long term, avoid injuries, and making sure that you're staying fit, healthy, and mobile long term. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to get regular updates, and share it with anybody who is looking to stay fit and mobile long term. We also have a copy of my best-selling book here, The Secret Cure to Back Pain, How to Avoid a Life of Painkillers and Surgery. You can grab a copy on the Amazon link below. See you next time.